In today's discussion, I'll guide you on effective financial management and controlling unnecessary expenses based on insights from Warren Buffett, the legendary investor. Join me as we explore 7 common pitfalls that the less affluent often fall into, with a surprising revelation at the end. Don't miss out on valuable updates. Hit the like button, subscribe to our channel, and turn on the notification bell for a step closer to success. Let's dive into the wisdom of Warren Buffett without delay. 1. Gambling. Warren Buffett cautions against the financial perils of gambling. While the occasional game might seem harmless, relying on it for income or wealth building often leads to bankruptcy. Playing on machines like slot machines can trigger excessive spending fueled by ambition. Buffett emphasizes that success comes to those who make informed decisions, not to those relying on luck. 2. Homeownership. Contrary to popular belief, the wealthy often opt not to own a house in the early stages of their success journey. Instead, they choose to rent while strategically building assets for a future purchase. Buying a house with significant debt is a common mistake, risking economic stability. Buffett advises against acquiring a house with substantial debt, as it can lead to financial troubles over time. 3. Gym memberships without commitment. Paying for a gym membership without a commitment to regular exercise is a common financial pitfall. Many individuals join gyms but fail to utilize their memberships consistently. Buffett encourages a thoughtful approach, suggesting that a gym membership only makes sense if used regularly. There are cost-effective or free alternatives for fitness, such as outdoor activities, which offer both physical and financial benefits. Fun, luxury brands. The habit of purchasing luxury items unnecessarily is a common trend among the less affluent. While millionaires can afford extravagant possessions, Buffett highlights that wealth is not necessarily spent on material goods. Making informed choices about the value of a product, regardless of its brand, is crucial for sound financial management. 5. Buying a new car. Purchasing a new car is considered one of the worst financial decisions, as vehicles depreciate rapidly. Buffett advises against borrowing money to buy an asset that immediately loses value. Instead, opting for a used car with a few years of use can provide a nearly new vehicle with a significant discount. 6. Watching TV and playing video games. Buffett observes that middle and lower class households tend to waste time and money on excessive TV watching and video game playing. Wealthier households prioritize more constructive activities and continuous learning, emphasizing the importance of utilizing time effectively. 7. Extravagant vacations. While experiences like travel are valuable, poorly planned vacations can lead to financial regret. Buffett advises against going into debt for a few weeks of travel and stresses the importance of careful financial planning to ensure a great trip without long-term financial consequences. Conclusion. In this discussion, we've explored the financial pitfalls highlighted by Warren Buffett, ranging from gambling and homeownership to gym memberships and luxury purchases. By avoiding these common mistakes and making informed decisions, you can pave the way for a more prosperous and fulfilling life. If you found this video valuable, please like, subscribe, and hit the notification bell for more content on wealth creation, investments, and success. Until next time, thank you for watching, and goodbye.